McDonald's. How can I help you?
Hi, could I just get a small coffee with 5 creams and 5 sugars?
Okay, anything else?
Nope, that'll be it. We just picked up Buri in the morning so I could drop her off at work in her car. We just got McDonald's coffee, and Buri's saying, well, you're smarter than I am?
Yeah.
Oh, because you graduated with honors?
Yeah.
Is that why?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah? What's 98 minus 19? Oh, don't use your phone! Oh, yeah? Let me see your phone.
No.
Oh, yeah? What's 57 minus 18?
57 minus 18
Yeah.
is 49.
You
I meant
stupid!
48.
Well, you're 48?
I meant 38.
And you're an accounting major?
Finance.
And you do investments?
Finance.
You suck. You fail.
You know, we have formulas and calculators. You don't need to know this stuff.
Fail, Buri. Buri, why do you have such a sad face?
I don't want to go to work.
Well, someone has to make the money for us, Buri.
For us? No, I'm only making it for me.
Hey, how's it going, guys? Good morning. Just dropped Buri off of work. Heading over to my grandma's house to say hi and to check up on how she's doing. We're probably gonna go to my other grandma's house after that and do some field work. We're probably gonna end up rototilling, I think. I'm not sure. But meantime, hope you guys are having a good morning, and I'll see you guys in a bit. This is gonna make the dirt smell real good. We just got done spreading the chicken crap into these rows, and we just rototilled it. Say hi, Tommy!
Hey.
These weeds right here are killing the tree. I'm gonna chop them down. Tommy, could you pass me Bofa?
Both of what?
These nuts! These are the citrus trees that we just planted. There's mandarin. Another mandarin. Another mandarin. And navel oranges. how's it going, guys? We're going to go get lunch right now with my grandparents. We just got done doing a ton of field work. We pruned the apricot trees and we got rid of a lot of the morning glory plants that were taking over a lot of the trees. So a lot of hard work today, and and we spread a whole bunch of chicken crap. So that was really fun. I smell like chicken crap really bad, but nonetheless, we're gonna go get something to eat and see you guys in a bit. So weird.
No,
We're going to the store right now because we're gonna go pick up a present for Buri's nephew's birthday, which is tomorrow at the park.
Hey.
How many freaking miles?
Buri, smile, I'm taking a picture. You stupid.
You're such a jerk. You do this all the time.
Dang, look at these pots and pans.
Jesus.
Oh, you like that honey, don't you? Yeah, double fist it.
No, this is agave nectar.
Double fist it. Double fist it. Shake it like a salt shaker. Thanks guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a comment down below, rate and subscribe to this channel, and it'll really mean a lot to us, and I really appreciate it.
Thank you. Kawaii.
Stupid.
Why'd you tell me to say that?
Wait, double fist.
No, I'm not doing that.
Double fist it. Double fist it. Yeah, double fist it.
No,
Double
he
fist
just looks
yeah,
like
double
he's
fist it. Double fist
Ew.
it.